taught me humility without ever meaning to. And I watched the world taking piece by piece. You lit a cigarette for a man the world forgot, talking to him like he was your equal. I couldn't believe it, this tough bastard I knew, showing more grace than any preacher would ever do. But the cracks were showing early. You were shaking in your skin. Every laugh was hiding thunder. Every night you let the darkness in. Started pushing every lifeline away, burning bridges just to feel the heat rise. I watched the bottle take your voice, watched the fire take your peace. You said you didn't need saving, said you'd rather drown alone. But I saw the shadows closing in, felt the tremor deep within. Your fire was a volcano, burning from the inside out. And I knew it'd take you long before the world found out. I saw the smoke rising years before the end began. How do you stop a fire that was burning from within? I knew the truth before you spoke it. The hurt you carried had made its choice. You pushed us away so we couldn't stop you. But I'm still here, trying to make sense of the ash. And every silence now sounds like goodbye. I blame myself for stepping back when you shut me out. And I blame you for closing every door I tried to hold open. Your suicide rewired something I can't repair. I'm a fractured soul trying to breathe through the damage you left behind. But the cracks were showing early. You were shaking in your skin. Every laugh was hiding thunder. Every night you let the darkness in. Your fire was a volcano, burning from the inside out. And I knew it'd take you long before the world found out. I saw the smoke rising years before the end began. How do you stop a fire that was burning from within? From within. From within. From within. Your fire was a volcano,